The Selfish Monkey and the Waterfall. Listen and practice. Once upon a time in a lush, vibrant jungle, a selfish monkey named Momo lived near a beautiful waterfall. The waterfall was a source of life for all the animals in the jungle, providing fresh water and a cool place to relax. However, Momo claimed the waterfall as his own, refusing to share it with others. He would chase away any animal that dared to come near, believing that having the waterfall all to himself would make him the happiest monkey in the jungle. One particularly hot day, Momo noticed that the water level was dropping, and the once thriving plants around the waterfall were wilting. Realizing that the ecosystem depended on the waterfall, Momo reluctantly allowed the other animals to return. To his surprise, he discovered that sharing the waterfall not only restored its beauty but also brought him joy and companionship. From that day on, Momo learned the value of sharing and became a beloved friend to all the creatures in the jungle. Like, share and subscribe for more such stories.